Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Well, something a little different today. I have an RC plane. A lot of you have asked for RC planes. I know this is a small plane, but this is the kind of plane that you would take with you and go fly with your children or your grandchildren and have a blast, or let them fly it because it's so simple to fly. So this little plane costs next to nothing. Now I have not flown this, so I am going to try it here and see how it works. Let me just tell you a little bit about it. This here remote control says you'll get 150 meters worth of distance. This thing's so small you don't want it to be farther than that, that's for sure. Also, the construction of the plane is apparently made out of EPP foam, which I'm told is supposed to be the best for RC planes because it is flexible, bendable, and they say it's crash proof. In other words, you're really not going to wreck it if you crash a lot. Now here's how it flies. It has two little brushed motors at the back, of course brushed because it costs next to nothing, this thing, and they're pretty powerful. They push a lot of air, so it's just going to catapult this flying. And on your remote here, let me just put that down, and on your remote you have a throttle here to go faster, you know, more power to go faster, slower, which is going to bring the nose up or down. Pretty simple. Now on this side, it's very beginnerish. This joystick does not go up and down, because up and down on a joystick for an RC plane means that you can push the nose one way or another way, as well as turn it side to side. No, this here, since there's no ailerons on here that are functioning, this joystick just goes side to side. So basically when you go to one side, it pushes one motor stronger than the other motor, and the other opposite, the other motor stronger than the other motor, which causes it to turn in the air. Now, I would suggest to fly this on a non-windy day. Today's pretty good for that, so let's go take it out and fly it now and see how it goes. All right, so let's get set up. I have a little GoPro over here to show this here plane up close, and let's just plug it in. It's that simple. So hopefully the GoPro can see this. Plug it in, stuff the little one cell battery in here. This plane does come with a charger. You do get a charger with it, and it charges up the battery extremely fast. It's only a one cell. There's an on and off switch down here, so I'm going to flick it on after I turn this on. There we go. The radio controller, remote control's on. Push the throttle all the way to the bottom, and then come on over here and press this on button. And we should, and if I move the joysticks on here, let's see, if I move this joystick, oh, there we go. Now I've got signal. So we are ready to fly. Whoa, 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 whoa. I wasn't even ready. So I think with this you have a choice to leave the wheels on or take them off. If you take the wheels off, you just toss it and fly it. I'm going to leave it on, see if I can actually take off from the ground. Okay, never flown this before, so it's either going to fly or crash. We'll see what happens. Let's go up. I can't control it, but look, I've got it going left. Just keep it away from that tree. I'll bring the throttle down. I want it to come back. There it is, up above. There she goes. Let me just tell you how simple it is to fly. You know, I picked one of the hardest places here to fly this thing because look what I have around me. I'm going around the trees here. So this is not good. Here, I'm bringing it down now. And it should go right over my Jeep. There we are. So let me see if I can turn it around. I got it, I got it, I got you, baby. I got you, baby. Okay, I gotta bring it down for a landing because I want to see if I could stick a little camera on it. This is cool. All right, let's bring it down here. So I'm gonna turn the throttle off, bring the nose up a little bit, nose up, and I think that counts as a landing. It landed in all three legs. All right, I doubt if this is gonna work because this has some weight. This is an Insta360 Go camera. I am gonna try to Velcro it on the top. I'm gonna put it as close to what I believe is a center of balance as possible. There we go. And I don't think this is gonna work very well. I think this is gonna be one big disaster, but let's try it. So my guess, I'm way back here, my guess is this is gonna be too heavy to fly. So we'll put it down, and at least you'll see a taxi with the camera going, so let's go. Yeah, it's kind of heavy, and it's going right up my, is it? I went into the grass. It's too heavy. I'll try throwing it. I'm pulling off the wheels to save some weight. I'm gonna put the wheels over here, and I'm gonna toss it, and I got a funny feeling it's not gonna fly, but we're gonna try it. Here we go, I'm gonna toss it with the nose up. Okay, so we learned that you cannot put any extra weight on this. So those of you who would like to buy this and put a camera on it, yeah, it's just not going to work. Try one more time with the camera. How many failures can you do in one video? One more time. Here, we're going to throw it higher. All right, so putting the camera on the top is not a good idea. The next thing I want to show you is what comes in the box, so check this out. Here we have the box. Your A190 Hornet comes in, and check it out. It's a pretty good looking beast, and it does say Blue Angel spelled correctly on the side. You can see at the back, this is your little brushed motors to keep it running. It does take a 1S battery that is included, as well as the charger is included. 2 spare props are also included. The controller is very simple to use. A child could use this, and it does take 4 AA batteries to operate. Instruction manual is included, and the total weight of this beast with the battery is only 58 grams. Now, I took the Hornet out to my local flying area where all the other RC plane pilots are, and I flew it around the parking lot with all these obstacles. The challenge is not to hit one of these light posts, but to fly it around and through all the light posts. And I will also say, no one thought I could do it, but look at this, it's going. This thing is really easy to fly and easy to operate. Here's the guys who thought I might not be able to do it, and they would be correct because I am about to crash pretty soon. But before I crash, let me just say this, I am still flying on the same 1-cell battery that was included with this airplane that I flew earlier in the video when I was flying around for the very first time. This little guy flies for a very long time on that 1S battery. It is amazing. It doesn't use a lot of power to stay in the air, so I guess that's how it does it. Now here's where I'm about to crash in one final post, and I'm flying around having a great old time talking to the guys as I'm flying. No issues there, but I thought I was going to miss this post you're going to see coming up, but nope, I slammed right into it. So I'm going to turn on the audio from my hat cam so you can hear it.
Actually, angels. You know, we tried to do that on but we can't do it.
And you know what? I was trying to miss these posts and I did a great job. That one, I thought I was miles away from it. Nope. Hey, it's powered on. Take it for a flight. You've probably got about 1 minute of battery power left.
That sounds like a challenge to me, unless you crash.
Oh, your battery's low. I've been flying that thing on the same battery for so long. Watch this. Joe's landing. Whoa! Look at, he's gonna hit me. No, he almost got it. Yay! All right, final thoughts on this baby. It flies really well. It is super inexpensive. It's just as I said, it's great for if you're a parent or a grandparent, or you just want to get it for your kids. It'd be a lot of fun. It was so easy for me to fly it out here. All in all, it does exactly what it says on the box. It does fly, it does work, and it is designed for beginners to have a lot of fun. So with that said, the links are below. It's on the CAFAGO website. Go check it out. It's very inexpensive. And hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next video with many more reviews. Bye.